Feeling overwhelmed by a Trello board you no longer need? Let's get that digital workspace cleaned up. First, navigate to the Trello board you want to delete. Make sure you are logged into your Trello account and that the board is the one you intend to remove, as this action is permanent. Once you're on the board, look for the Show Menu button, typically located on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on it to reveal the board's menu options. In the board's menu, scroll down until you find Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Click on Settings to access the board's settings panel. Within the settings panel, scroll to the bottom where you will find the option to close board. Click on the Close Board option. Trello will display a warning message confirming that you want to close the board. Review the message carefully, as closing the board will make it inaccessible to all members. If you're sure, click the Close button. Once the board is closed, a bright orange banner will appear at the top of the screen with the words "Board Closed. Permanently delete board." This is your last chance. Click the Permanently Delete Board option if you are sure you want to continue. Trello will display one last confirmation message. Take one final look. If you're absolutely certain, type the word "Permanently Delete" into the text box. After typing "Permanently Delete," the Delete button will become active. Click the Delete button to permanently remove the board and all its data. Remember, there's no going back after this. And that's how you permanently delete a Trello board.